Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hello, how are you all? Hope you are doing fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NFA's Home School. I am Muhammad Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, morning shift. Today I am going to take an English literature class for class 1 students. Our today's topic, Unit 8, discussion plus word meaning, synonym, antonym, synonym. So open your book. Let's start the class. First, let's see. This is class 1, subject English literature, topic Unit 8, word meaning, synonym, antonym. Term annual, lecture 7, SW will be 6. Teacher Ariful Islam. This is my mobile number and this is my messenger ID. So what are students? Let's open your book, open your buzzword book and go to page number 76. Open your buzzword book, go to page number 76, Unit 8, the talking toy. So we will discuss today talking toy, and this is the first class of after it. So in this story we have 4 characters. One is Peter, her mother, and Peter's friend Ali and Toto. So let's start. Peter is in bed. He is ill. So this is Peter. Peter is in bed. Peter is in bed. And why he is in bed? Because he is ill. He cannot get out of bed. Why he cannot get out of bed? Because he is ill. Ali is Peter's friend. So we have found another character, Ali. Ali is Peter's friend. He comes to see Peter. Why he comes to see Peter? Because Peter is sick. Peter is ill. I don't like being ill, says Peter. I cannot go out to play. Why he cannot go out to play? Because he is ill. I have got something for you, says Ali. Look. So Ali has got something for Peter. He shows Peter a toy. So he is here, Ali shows Peter a toy. It is a small robot. It looks like a boy. So Ali shows Peter a toy. Ali has taken a gift for Peter. And this is small robot. It looks like a boy. Peter sits up in bed and takes the toy from Ali. Thanks, Ali. You are welcome, says Ali. His name is Toto. Whose name is Toto? The robot name is Toto. He's very clever. He can sing, he can walk, he can even say hello. Say hello to Peter. Toto, come on, Toto, says Ali. So Toto is very clever. He can sing, he can walk, and he can even say hello. Ali presses some buttons on the toy. Hello, hello, says Toto. Oh, you are clever, laughs Peter. So this is our story. Let's read again. Unit 8, the talking toy. Peter is in bed. He is ill. He cannot get out of bed. Ali is Peter's friend. So who is Ali? Ali is Peter's friend. He comes to see Peter. I don't like being ill, says Peter. I cannot go out to play. I have got something for you, says Ali. Look. He shows Peter a toy. It is a small robot. It looks like a boy. The robot looks like a boy. Peter sits up in bed and takes the toy from Ali. Thanks, Ali. You are welcome, says Ali. His name is Toto. He is very clever. He can sing, he can walk, he can even say hello. Say hello to Peter, Toto. Come on, Toto, says Ali. So this is the Peter and this is Ali, and the Toto is playing and talking and say hello. Ali presses some buttons on the toy. Hello, hello, says Toto. Oh, you are clever, laughs Peter. So this is our today's unit. Let's go to Unit 8, the talking toy, word meaning. First one is show. Show means to display. Display also means show. Show means to display. Spelling D-I-S, P-L-Y, display. So welcome means to greet someone. Welcome means to greet someone. So instead of welcome, we can say greetings. Okay? So press means to push something. To push, P-U-S-S, to push something. S-O-M-E-T-H-I-N-G, to push something. So we have written show means to display, welcome to greet someone, press to push something. Let's go to synonym and antonym. This is a word ill, come and take. So we'll write first the synonym. Ill means sick. Instead of ill, we can say sick. I am ill. Instead of this sentence, we can say I am sick. So ill, sick, and the opposite antonym is well. I am well. Okay. Come. Come means arrive. A-R-R-I-V. A-R-R-I-V. Arrive. And go. Come. Opposite is go. Take. Take means receive. The spelling is difficult. Receive. R-E-C-E-I-V. Receive. R-E-C-E-I-V. Take, receive. And opposite is give. Let's read again. Word ill, sick, well, come, arrive, go, take, receive, give. Let's read again for the last time. Unit 8, the talking toy, word meaning. Show, to display, welcome, to greet someone, press, to push something. And the synonym antonym, word synonym and antonym, ill, sick, well, come, arrive, go, and take, receive, give. So the spelling of receive is very important, R-E-C-E-I-V. So let's go to your SW. SW will be 6, submit one Sunday, Unit 8, word meaning plus synonym antonym. So SW6 is Unit 8, word meaning and synonym and antonym. So that's all today's class. Do your assign SW at home and submit on Sunday within 8 am to 4 pm in the school library. You will also collect those copies on Sunday within 8 am to 4 pm in the school library. You know your SW is very important because we are giving SBA and city mark on the basis of the submission of your SW copies, and we are giving 2 mark is in your SW copies. So that's all for today. I hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home. About your parents. Stay safe, stay well. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.